How to verify your Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can request to verify your Facebook account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, you simply want to make sure you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in a search box typing in Facebook. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've updated Facebook, I'm going to go ahead and simply open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, obviously you're going to see that this is how the interface is going to look like. The very first thing you want to do is from the very top right hand side, simply tap on your profile icon, or maybe the three menu bar, which I mean. And if you're on iOS, this option could be at the very bottom of the screen. Go ahead and simply locate that option. You want to scroll down to the bottom and select the option which says help and support. Once you tap on help and support, you'll find this option which says help center. So go ahead and tap on the help center tab. As soon as you tap on help center, you'll find this kind of interface. What you could do is right over here in the search box, you want to simply type in verification. So maybe you could simply type in any type of request such as verification keyword or anything similar to that. So I will simply type in verification, and you will be able to see a list of results. You have to simply tap on the result which says how do I request a verified badge on Facebook. So go ahead and tap on this first option which you see. Once you're on this page, you can see verify your profile or page. You can see what are the requirements to apply for a verified badge. For example, the one is authenticity, unique, complete, and notable. Now this is the most important. Notability represent a well-known, often searched person, brand, or entity. We review pages and profiles that are featured in multiple news sources, and we don't consider paid or promotional content as sources for review. So you want to make sure that you have read all of this properly. If you think you fit in the criteria, you could go ahead and tap on this button which says fill in this form right over here, which is highlighted in blue basically. Go ahead and tap on fill in this form, and you can see it says verify your profile or badge. Now you could go ahead and upload your documents. What are you verifying, whether you're verifying your page or a profile. You could add a document, you could confirm in notability, so you know what kind of public figure or a prominent figure you are. You could add some links to evidences, and at the bottom tap on the send button, and Facebook will get back to you hopefully with a positive solution. This was the way on how you can request for a verification badge on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.